This tutorial review will show you how to delete all Gmail messages at once on iPhone. I'm going to opening my Gmail app, and as you can see, here is no option to select all emails at once. So if you're trying to delete all your emails at once from the Gmail app, then here is no way. You have to open the iPhone default mail app and make sure to sign in here using your Gmail ID, and then select the inbox tab and tap on edit at the top right, and here you will get the select all option. So tap on it to select all of your emails and then tap on move and select the bin folder, and that's how we can delete all Gmail messages at once on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.